In this video, I'm going to help you decide whether to pay for Perplexity AI or ChatGPT by exploring a deep dive community discussion and direct comparisons. Let's get started. I'm starting here on a Reddit thread where the big question is being asked: Perplexity or ChatGPT? I'll begin by scrolling through the initial thoughts from the community. I notice right away that many users feel Perplexity is the clear winner for search and sourcing information, while ChatGPT is often preferred for its creative writing and conversational depth. As I move down the page, I'm looking at how users weigh the cost. One person points out that Perplexity Pro gives you access to multiple high-end models like GPT-4 and Claude 3, which makes it feel like a better value for power users. I'm scrolling further to find a specific comparison prompt. Here it is. A user asked Perplexity to compare its own Pro version against ChatGPT Plus. I'll take a moment to look at these results. Perplexity's analysis shows that it focuses on providing cited, real-time information with a cleaner interface designed for efficiency. It suggests that while ChatGPT is better for brainstorming and long-form content, Perplexity is the superior tool for factual accuracy and research-heavy tasks. Now I'm continuing to scroll through more specific user feedback. I see developers and researchers sharing their experiences, with some noting a decline in ChatGPT's performance while praising Perplexity's speed and source integration. I'm finishing up by looking at the final consensus, which suggests that if your workflow is centered on finding and verifying facts, Perplexity is likely the better investment for your needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.